Hi guys, this is Rohan and welcome back to my channel. So as we all know that Diwali is round the corner. So here I am wishing you all a very happy Diwali. This Diwali try not to buy ready-made items. Instead, decorate your home with your own handmade items. Yes, you guys gonna love it and it will look amazing. So just try it. So without wasting any time, let's start with today's video. But first, make sure that you are subscribed and please hit the bell icon. So let's start.
Was wrong to say I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives, the best of times through color glass. Time rolls on enough to let me move on past, but every little now and then it creeps on back to shade my smile. Was wrong to say I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives, the best of times through color glass. Time rolls on enough to let me move on past, but every little now and then it creeps on back to shade my smile.
you for watching, guys. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also share this video with your friends and family. And we guys will meet very soon in the next video. Goodbye.